Hello guys! Today is nagpagawa ko ng full preventive maintenance service sa aking Mio Aerox version 2 Red kay Christian. So home service. So ito na ang aking new look Mio Aerox version 2 Red. Check it out! Ayan. Ayan o, poging-pogi. Naging mukhang bago. So nag-CVT cleaning ako, checking all CVT parts, oil seal, air filter checking, engine oil, gear oil, magneto cleaning, magneto repaint, throttle body cleaning, intake manifold cleaning, valve clearance tune up, replace fuel filter, spark plug checking, front brake cleaning and checking, rear brake cleaning and checking, air filter checking, ball race checking, error code delete, wheel bearing checking, front shock checking. Then ang pinagawa ko, ang pinalagay ko, full PMS. Tapos ito yung mga B-star, yung gulong ko bago na yan for almost 4 years na ginagamit. Tapos nagpapalit din ako ng CVT cover set, then pati V-belt. Ayan, ang ganda oh, diba? Amazing. Air filter, torque drive o-ring and oil seal, fly ball, spark plug cap, rear brake, front brake pad, CVT bolts, rubber damper, vulcanize. Ayan. So ayan, kumpleto na. Ayan, ganda oh. Yan yung panggilid ko. O diba? Amazing. So ayan na. Yan na yung aking bagong Mio Aerox version 2. Maintain. Diba? O 24,001 Odo. Ayan. Bagong look ng aking Mio Aerox version 2. Amazing. Ayan, after 4 years, ngayon lang na full maintain ng preventive service. Ayan. Ayun guys, thank you Thank you at sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking Mio Aerox version 2 Red. At thank you rin kay Christian. Talagang maganda gumawa at suwabe. Recommendable. The best. Galing. Nagmukhang bago. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Diba? Panalo. Ayan lang. Bye-bye. Yun, no? Mio Aerox version 2 Red.